2021 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.